काशीनाथ बाब, आयज किती केस आसली तुमचे?
हे आमी एक केस घातलेली एक्स मिनिस्टर मिस्टर मडकयकारान स्टेटमेंट केलो की करप्शन इज द हायस्ट लेवल आनी पयशे दिल्या शिवाय कामां जायना.
हय.
सो ती मॅटर आज हायकोर्ट मागीर द स्पेशल जज अंडर द प्रिव्हेंशन ऑफ करप्शन एक्ट प्रिंसिपल जज PDJ passed an order saying that register the FIR. Magir te ACB, why I don't know why ACB was interested. They have challenged the order in the High Court. The accused has not challenged, no one has challenged, and he has challenged. So today it was argued extensively on the point that all the points and judgments were produced from both the sides, from the PP side and from our sides, and the matter now is kept for this final outcome on 8th April.
पण challenge the why the ACB is challenged and what is the motive behind challenging this?
That we don't know. That also I have argued as per HDFC Securities. They don't have, they cannot challenge because they don't, they are not, what you call,
Party.
aggrieved by the order. You should be aggrieved by the order. They are not aggrieved by the order. I don't know why they are challenging. That everyone should see that how a state can challenge the order. Actually, state should not challenge such orders which are there of the court.
So it reached to a point of argument. That means it was accepted by the court that ACB's grievance is taken in.
That now that order will be by the court. No, we cannot comment on that. That we have argued on our side that the FIR should be done. They have argued that it should go back to the judge to pass a reasoned order. They are not saying it is not. They say reasoned order should be passed. But we say you file an FIR and if there is nothing, you can make a closure as per A summary, B summary, C summary.
With respect to your original FIR, what are the things that you have highlighted in the FIR that is objectionable with the statements of Mr. Michael?
See, wherever he's saying those money was given, that does not. It was given before, and now there are dates are not correct as per our knowledge, because the check dates and all those were before date. Now say he knows it afterwards. That those are all questionable points which are to be seen in the FIR.
So just an understanding for the people. Mr.
See, if Madkaikar has done a false statement, he should be booked for false statement.
Yes.
He under 199, a false case should be made against him. And if he says he has done a correct statement or is correcting, then FIR should be lodged on the unknown accused who has taken that money or whoever he names. So that should be investigated. That is what we are saying.
So rather, it should have been where ACB should have been party to you and to find out what is the issue.
It is right opposite. They are opposing. They don't want to investigate. They are saying.
Do you think the government would like to
That
suppress this?
I cannot say on that. That aspect I cannot say anything. ACB should have investigated whatever is coming. They should investigate. That is what this BNS and BNSS says.
Right.
A cognizable offence should be registered and investigated.
Investigated, right? Because we have seen.
You cannot go on the credibility of the information. If I have done, you can file a false case on me.
Absolutely.
It is like that. When a person, he says orally, that can be converted, his oral sentence can be converted under 173 to an FIR. We were not supposed to required to do that thing. But here we have to go to court, we have to, and then ACB comes in as a savior of his. That we are not understanding here.
Right, so what is the next on this now?
8th April will be the final judgment, whatever it is.
Whether the FIR stays
Yeah,
or
we
not
have
stays.
produced all judgment, all submissions were done by both the sides. Twice, thrice we have done. Now it is kept for final orders on 8th
8 April, sir. No?
April.
So who are now the respondent and
We 7-8 people are the respondents, and petitioner is ACB.